Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how to process an employee request, such as a vacation, personal time off, bereavement, etc., using a manager or the Global Administrator user account. Select Tasks, Time Log, and Requests on the left menu bar. Then select the Employee Requests feature option. This can also be accessed via the attention list on the left menu bar. The attention list displays pending requests and in-progress tasks for the respective manager's employees. To approve or not approve a request, select the request from the list. You can also search the list by employee. And also sort ascending or descending by the field columns by clicking the header of that column. In the subsequent approval request dialog, it will indicate when the request was sent, the approval status, and the request type. The selected dates section indicates, in this example, the requested vacation dates by the respective employee that was previously selected in the list. Click Approve or Not Approve for the request. Click OK in the confirmation dialog. Which will also send an email notification to the employee as per the approval decision. The default list displays only pending requests. You can filter this in the drop list filter by to either pending, approved, and not approved. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.